Hello my honeys and welcome back to my channel. As you all know, I recently made a big move with my boyfriend from Toronto, Canada all the way to Austin, Texas. This was the toughest moving countries I've ever done in my life, as it was more than just packing up 2 suitcases, it was bringing our entire lives over to the US, and as you know, I've been breaking out like crazy because of the stress. So one of my biggest things that I've been focusing on since arriving is trying to resolve my stress levels by simply incorporating different techniques into my day. And one of those techniques is still enjoying my coffee, but instead of immediately going to my desk and working with my coffee, I try to make sure that I sit and I enjoy the morning of waking up and having coffee while staring out a window, while relaxing and trying to stay away from my computer first thing when I wake up. That has made a huge impact in keeping my day calm and relaxed. Additionally, I'm trying harder to make sure that I am eating something while I drink my coffee, as I recently found out that starting your morning with just coffee on an empty stomach, even if you have water, can put you into fight or flight mode, which is a big cortisol stress releaser. So that has been a little bit helpful as well, but I still gotta figure it out. Aside from that, I'm trying to just make sure our house is coming together to help make me feel like I'm in a little bit of a more routine, and having fresh flowers in the kitchen that are spring themed has been a little small pocket of stress relief and joy for me. Aside from that, even though I've been doing these things, your skin definitely takes time to heal, and I have a long way to go, but I'm definitely improving from what I was at a couple weeks ago, and all the steps I've been taking, including skincare changes, has really helped me out. So I do have clogged pores still, I am a little bit dry still, and I still have a couple active acne spots, but overall it's mostly marks that just remain, and my skin is feeling a lot better, less tight, less flaky, and less breakouts. So as you can see, I still got a couple big ones on my forehead, but we're getting there. And what counts is that my makeup looks good with my skincare during the day with my troubled skin. So this is my skincare routine for perfect makeup. This video is in collaboration with medicube. Medicube is a Korean skincare company that delivers functional skincare products for every single skin type. I have actually been using their products for like 6 months now, and I love every single one of them that I've tried, and I can't wait to talk about them more with you guys in my upcoming videos. So definitely make sure to check them out in the description box down below to see the products that I've been using over the past several months and learn more about why I love them so much. First things first, I always start my day by rinsing my face with water. I don't use foam cleansers, as foam cleansers are way too stripping on my skin first thing in the morning and ends up causing me a lot of dehydration and trouble in the future. So I prefer using something like this medicube Zero Pore Pad. I am obsessed with these. They have BHA and AHA with other acne calming and soothing treatment ingredients in there while still being hydrating and calming on the skin. Plus it has that dual texture side pad, so I prefer using the exfoliating side because I'm a dry skin girl. I get a lot of dead skin buildup every single day, and I need a gentle exfoliation that's going to get rid of that to reduce my clogged pores, and this does it for me. I've been enjoying using the medicube Pore Zero pads for quite some time now actually, because it really helps me when I'm having a lot of flare-ups with my acne breakouts, because a lot of the ingredients are anti-inflammatory. Even if you're like me and you're someone who has a dry, dehydrated, acne-prone skin type, because you're still gonna get all those amazing benefits of AHA and BHA with the gentle exfoliation to help get control over those dry skin flakes, while still benefiting from the acne treatment properties. Not only that, they have a lot of hydrating ingredients in there that help to calm and soothe the skin at the same time, making this a really great product if you are like me with a dry, dehydrated, acne-prone skin type and need something that's just going to help you get control of that without being too harsh on the skin. It makes a big impact on the texture of my skin and my breakouts. You can see how discolored that pad is just from one use. Of course, I'm always using some form of calming and soothing serum. I've been really into my Deciem Fresh Cica Plus Clear Serum because it's filled with those calming and anti-inflammatory ingredients and skin repairing ingredients to really get your skin back on track while hydrating out without any active ingredients that could cause irritation. Now, I am a swollen girl. I wake up swollen. My face is always puffy in the morning. My lips are puffy. My nose is swollen. Sometimes my eyes are swollen. Heck, even my hands are swollen in the morning. It's crazy. So I always use some form of facial massage technique to bring my swelling down. This is my Glow Atelier A Feline Facial Roller. It specifically mimics Korean and Japanese facial massage techniques that have a pinching motion, stimulates blood flow and circulation in the skin, which boosts lymphatic drainage to help flush out swelling and fluid buildup in the face to firm and tighten the skin. Once I'm finished rolling my face, I always go in with some form of lightweight moisturizer. I don't want anything too heavy during the day as it might make my makeup crumble. I'm obsessed with the medicube Acika Cream. It is so lightweight, gives me hydration, gives me a little bit of moisture that I need, and is super calming and reduces inflammation in the skin. You guys know me, I love my Acika products. I love any kind of cream that is lightweight. It's still going to target my dehydration and my dryness of my skin without feeling too heavy and is perfect in a layering routine. I've been loving this Acika Cream by medicube because it gives me all that hydration I need. It gives me the perfect balance of moisture. Plus, it has all those anti-inflammatory, skin healing, skin calming benefits that acne prone or even just really sensitive skin needs to help it repair, recover, reduce inflammation and active pimples, and just give your skin the essentials in hydration and moisture. I've really been loving this. You can see I'm pretty much more than halfway down the tube as well. It is a must for me when my skin is angry. Then, you know, I'm always wearing SPF, and my easiest way to make sure I'm wearing SPF every single day is to mix it with a little bit of foundation. I've been in love with the BiiBiiBeauty Heartleaf Sun Essence Calming Drop because it's a liquid formula that has a lot of calming and soothing anti-inflammatory ingredients in there without being heavy on the skin, making it perfect to achieve that perfect makeup application, especially when I mix it with a little bit of foundation. I always believe for foundation, less is more, and your skin looks more believable when you wear less foundation. It doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look like you're wearing foundation. You can still see some natural pigmentation through, like that acne spot there. So all I do is simply go in with a concealer of choice and spot treat those few spots, finish the rest of my makeup, and that is it for me. This routine gives me glass skin that looks believable, looks natural, and makes me feel better about my skin while focusing on making sure that my skin is still getting all those hydrating and moisturizing benefits without being heavy and cakey. With, of course, anti-aging sun protection. I love it. So that's it, you guys. That's my skincare routine for perfect makeup. Let me know. Have you used any of these products? And of course, remember, this video is in collaboration with medicube. Let's all thank medicube for supporting this video and supporting you guys. Definitely check them out. I've been using a ton of their products for like half a year now, and they're all amazing. Anyway, I will catch you guys next time. Bye.